Hello everyone, this is Larry Carson from MarineMax Charleston, and today I want to show you a 2018 Boston Whaler 170 Dauntless. This boat has less than 20 hours on it. One of our great customers traded it in for a larger Boston Whaler. The boat's in great shape. We'll start up here at the bow. The bow has low bow rails on it and has the trolling motor plug option, so if someone wants to set it up for shallow water fishing, you can do so. We have our anchor locker here under the deck, and a cooler seat here in front of the console, as well as tackle drawers built right into the console. And then when you get to the helm area, the boat is already set up with the Fusion Bluetooth stereo system, 7-inch Garmin color GPS and depth sounder combo, as well as all the switching and gauges. Great place to put electronic devices. You've got cup holders. Great location. The helm seat has 4 different positions for this backrest, so you can sit back as you see in the photo here or the video here, or we can move it forward where we can sit and face aft. Underneath the helm seat there's also a live well. Currently have the covers, which the boat does come with a console and a helm seat cover to protect everything. And then in the back, you can see when the back seat is closed, it makes a great casting deck for fishing, but both sides open right up and turn into aft corner seats. The boat is powered with the Mercury FourStroke 115, and then over here you will also see a large swim ladder with the handrail, 3-step ladder, so it drops plenty deep in the water. The boat is also equipped with the raw water washdown, you can see back in here as well. But you've got rod holders. The boat is set up to fish or play. You really can do all of it in this boat. It is a self-bailing hull. You can see where the drains are back in the corners. It's equipped with a bimini top with the all stainless frame. Let's see, we've covered stereo. We have storage in here. All of the safety equipment is currently in there. Well guys, thank you for looking. Again, my name is Larry Carson with MarineMax Charleston. You can give us a call if you have questions about this boat at 843-747-1889. Again, that's 843-747-1889, or you can visit us at marinemax.com. Again, thank you. This is Larry Carson from MarineMax.